everybody. It has been a weird morning for me. I don't know what's going on, but anyway, it's been weird. I opened up all the doors and stuff because it's a really nice day today. I want to go to Aldi when Sean gets home from work because I don't want to go by myself. And I think that's all I need to do today. Also edit yesterday's vlog, but I don't know. I just don't know. Don't know what to tell you because it's been a weird morning. I don't know how it's been weird. It's just been weird. Anyway, I will talk to you soon.
Hey everyone, how's it going? Yeah, just finished work for the day. Just got a message from a job opportunity. Because of COVID, not because of COVID, but because of my job, I've been there for 7.5 years or so. I've got to give a month's notice. And yeah, so that kind of sucks. And plus the corona, I can't move anyways for another 2 weeks or so anyways. Because you're not allowed to drive 5k's past you wherever you're living, so hopefully by not this Sunday but the Sunday after we're allowed to drive more than that, and then slowly move our stuff up to the country, and then maybe start that other job if they take me after a month. Fingers crossed they'll take me after a month, but who knows. It sucks. I'd love to start straight away. Far out. $32 an hour? Yeah, buddy. I'd love to make that an hour, I mean. But yeah, not sure because of COVID, and you got to give a month's notice at your job. Because I've been there for 7.5 years, you got to give a month's notice, I think. Yeah. No. Just over it. Over this COVID. We'll see how we go. Oh, guys, speak to you soon. Hey everyone. Yeah, we got a new bar fridge. We got it from Aldi for $2.50, and it's a 150 litre bar fridge. So yeah, that's really good.
And it matches our
upright freezer.
We did have a little one.
We did have a little bar fridge.
A little black one.
No, it was silver and black.
Exactly.
Yeah, it was silver and black, and yeah, we might put that on eBay or Marketplace or something.
It's only an old one.
It's an old one. It doesn't have the what's it called, the freezer door on it, but it keeps your drinks icy cold though. So if anyone wants to buy it, say $50 or so, you guys can have it. Okay, I'll show you the inside in a minute. You got the little cooler there, your waters, the booze, and some soft drinks and stuff on the doors. And yeah, it holds a fair bit. Hey everyone, yeah, just finished watching the block. Now just gonna go have a shower and shoot the bird. Yeah, it's been an eventful day today. So yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!